Hello, dear students. I'm your teacher here. Begin our chapter number 15, that is life on the earth. How this life on the earth survive due to different parts of this earth. Life on the earth live with the help of atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. Whatsoever I have told you, atmosphere related to the atmospheric things, I mean to say in the air pressure, sunlight is there, temperature is there, and related to this land distance from the land up to the sky. Then there is a lithosphere also part of land where we live, right? Land, part of land. L for land, L for lithosphere. Atmosphere, I usually give this gas in lower classes. Atmosphere for the air, and hydrosphere, H is used for water. In this way, all these major parts of our biosphere where we used to live with the help of these things: lithosphere, atmosphere, and hydrosphere. Then in this chapter we'll study about the environment also. If this environment from all these four components: atmosphere, biosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere, they combinedly make environment. And in this environment we have two category of the organism: biotic and abiotic. Biotic organism generally implies the all living things whatsoever we are living on this and land, air, water, plants, animals. And biotic are these things what I told you, and abiotic, that are non-living things, that are not. Generally we categorize this in this way: there are biotic and abiotic. Resources also: biotic living organism or biotic non-living organism, or whatsoever example, like biotic, all the animals, plants, human beings are biotic. Material, minerals, metals, all these come in this category. Then we take about the biome. It is a very large term, mean to say large space of having all these categories: clouds, sky, radiation, H2O, C2O, H2O, nitrogen, mean to say whatsoever these gases mixture in the atmosphere. Then there is a water cycle, carbon cycle, ecosystem. All these have marked very carefully. In this you have to note down all these item numbers, right? And all these further covered by biome is पूरे large space area को whatsoever water cycle, clouds, lithosphere, hydrosphere, transportation, communication, right? So mean to say all these are a vast area of the biome, but particularly biome is known as vast area of the forest also. All these are the some symptoms: land use, land cover, change, how it gets on changing over the we can say this life on the earth. All these things are there. And when all these things are there, I have captured this one biome side by. Biome is further categorized, mean to say large area, vast area, having vast varieties of vast type of trees and forests. So based upon this, I will do it separately also, this topic biome. Different type of biomes are here in our country as well as the world. In simple language we can call it vegetation. Okay, different type of vegetation, like we have deciduous, evergreen, thorny, uh, such type of vegetation is there, and accordingly it works. When we talk about biome, it has itself a vast concept. All these whatsoever I told you: volcano, terrestrial direction, clouds, radiation, all this is the life on the earth. Once again, it's vast capture, it is only one part. Then we talk about ecology. Ecology means to say ecological balances. It has been taken from two words, house, ecology means to say to study. Here is one person, geologist, who has given its study. You have to recognize this picture and tell me name. It's your homework. It is given in your book also, so that I can know that how many you have read from the book. On the right hand side on your book page number, it is given. So a house to study mean to say where we live. Regarding that, whatsoever we are studying, that is ecology. Where we live, that is house, that is land, lithosphere. Who are living, we are living, mean to say we are the persons, we are human beings. We come to the biotic resource, biotic organism. Then for living we need air, right? Survival air and water, that is our atmosphere, and that is our animals and plants. Atmosphere, hydrosphere mean to say we need water as well as air to live ever for our survival. That air, water, land, atmosphere we study in the ecological balance. Then there are different types of the ecosystem, different type of ecosystem, like we have aquatic and terrestrial. Aquatic, as it is clear from the name, we have aquatic, and this aquatic further categorized into two category, right? Ocean water and marine water and fresh water. And exactly this terrestrial is also classified further. And for this tertiary, we have this biome type, and further these biome have been categorized into different types. For this biome long study, I will tell you in my next lecture. Till now, we have studied about the life on the earth. How this life, when we talk about life on the earth, it means we mean to say we have everywhere this land, house, greenery, water, ponds, lakes, roads, roads, transport, means of communication, means of this transport, aeroplane. Then biosphere, right? Our biosphere, we need sunlight, temperature, heat, water, uh, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and lithosphere. We have to study its category of the biosphere. Then I told you about the environment. All these further may combine make environment, and in this environment we have biotic and a biotic type of resources. Then this is the vast type of biome, right? I mean to say we have different type of biomes based upon this forest category, we can say it in sum up idea. Then about the ecological balance. Ecological balance, we generally talk about ecology में that is animals, plants, and our human beings. When they are equal in number in the atmosphere, only then we can maintain ecological balance. I usually give this guess to the students that for this ecological balance you have to keep in mind your passing marks 33% everything should be there. 33% animals, 33% plants, and 33% human beings. But nowadays it is very imbalanced, a very ecological balance. That's why different type of natural calamities are there. Human beings are more in number. To fulfill their needs, we have to disturb the biome, right? And this person's name you have to tell me, who is the geologist who have given idea about this ecological balance. Then types of ecosystem, I told you two types of ecosystem, aquatic and terrestrial. Further, aquatic is categorized into fresh water, ocean water, and marine water. And next we'll study about terrestrial also and biome. Thank you, students. You have to take care. You have to read first 5 pages of your this book, geography chapter number 15. And then we have to do biome, different type of biomes of the of India, deciduous forest type, we can say coastal, mountainous, and so on, so forth. Bye, students.